Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you a Superdrug haul. Okay, so yes, like I say, I have got a Superdrug haul. I try to do one every month once I've been paid because Superdrug have some fantastic offers on and they stock some of my favourite brands. So I've got a big box to open with you guys today. I'm really excited about this one. I've got some exciting new products in here that I'm so excited to try. Okay, so I'm just going to open the box and let you guys know what I got. If I can get in. Wow. Genuinely, just the most excited for this Superdrug haul this month. I picked up some new products from one of my favourite brands that I am ridiculously excited about, and I can see some of them. Okay, so I won't start with them. I will leave the best to last. I'm actually planning on doing a video about them, so, you know, watch this space. Okie dokie then. So I'm going to start with something that you will have seen on my Superdrug hauls many a time, but, you know, I have to stock up on my favourites, so that's what I've got here. Okay then, so to start we have the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. You guys know I absolutely love this. I think it's fantastic. This time I picked it up in the shade F7 because, well, I don't know if you can tell with the bright lights at the minute, but I've got a bit more of a tan. I've been on holiday and the weather's been really nice back home, so I wanted a darker foundation. So I've gone for F7 this time. This costs £9. Unfortunately, there isn't a deal on at the minute, but Superdrug often do like 3 for 2s, buy one get one half price and different things on makeup and cosmetics. So it's always worth looking out for that. But either way, I'm happy to pay that. It lasts me well over a month and I really like it. I don't find that I have to reapply throughout the day. And, you know, I've talked about this many times. I love it. It's £9. It's a bargain. And similarly then, I also picked up the Conceal and Define Concealer, another one of my absolute faves. I got this in the supersize edition, 3 times the size of the original concealer, but it isn't 3 times the price. The smaller one is £4 and this one is £7, so an absolute bargain. Again, there's no deals on this, but £7 I think is great. This lasts me a long time and it's absolutely fabulous. You know I love this. I got this in the shade C5. I know it's not the same as that, but I like to have a little bit of a lighter concealer to lighten and brighten certain areas. And I've been using this shade with the F5 and I find that they're very much the same colour, so it should work nicely with this. If not, I'll pick up another one in the F7. I'm just trying to decide to whether to show you my exciting new products because they are from Revolution, so it'll follow on nicely. Yeah, let's do it. I am genuinely just ridiculously excited about this. I don't know if you guys will have followed me on Instagram for a long time, but you will know that I absolutely adore anything to do with nails and nail polish, and Revolution have brought out their own range of nail polishes. They have some amazing shades and they're an amazing price. The ones I picked up today are actually on Superdrug, are doing 3 for 2 at the minute, and they are £3. They're meant to be 1 coat. They're absolutely fantastic. Okay, so yeah, I tried to pick out a range of different colours. Like, so you need your standard red, a nude, a couple of bright colours and things. So I picked those up and I'm so excited about them. Okay, let's start with this one then. This one is kind of my more nudie colour. It is more pinky perhaps, but I couldn't really tell on the website. There's a lot of nudes and I actually thought I quite liked this shade. So this one is called Pillow, which is dead cute. It says that they're high gloss nail polish with avocado oil and you get 10 mils in here. So for £3, that's fantastic. And it's an absolutely beautiful bottle. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I liked the design of like the rose gold detailing and then the R letter. A lot of people are laughing about that, saying it's like Team Rocket from Pokemon. But the bottle design's actually beautiful itself. I hadn't really quite realised how stunning it is. Oh my god, there's another 5! I am genuinely ridiculously excited. Okay, so I got that one as more of a nude pale colour. And then I also picked up, like I say, I wanted to pick up a red. You have to pick up a red to give, you know, a polish brand a try. And I picked up this one. This one is called Rush, and again, it's 10 mils and things. And it's a beautiful, it's pretty, actually, that's a pretty great red. I really like that. Fabulous. Oh, I'm getting the collection together. Okay, next then, I went for some bright shades. because I love me some bright shades in the summer and like for holidays and things. So check this one out. Boom! It's like a fluorescent orange. It's absolutely fab. This one's called Pop. How bright and fabulous is that? That's going to be an amazing holiday nail colour. I'm actually going on holiday again in September. This one's going to be coming with me. Next then I also picked up a nice bright pink shade. And wowzer, that's a good fluorescent pink. That's absolutely bloody gorgeous. Oh my god, I love that. That's coming on holiday too. One can be toes, one can be fingers. Oh my goodness. So this one's called Party. I'm mesmerised. That's stunning. I'm so excited to try these on my nails. Okay, lastly then I picked up a couple of paler colours, but they're colours that I like to use a lot on my nails. So I picked up this one, which is like a greeny blue, and I just find these colours are really nice on your nails. They go with a lot of outfits. They make your nails look fresh and bright and beautiful, and I just really like this type of colour for your nails. So this one is called Gentle, and like I say, it's a stunning kind of pale blue with maybe like a hint of greeniness about it, and I think that's really, really pretty. Lastly then, I got a lilac colour, which I thought was really, really pretty. It's just a very pale pastel-y lilac, absolutely gorgeous. And this one is called Powder. Oh wow, so let's look at them together. I am going to do a video trying these out because I'm just excited to try them basically, and I want to show you guys. So these are the 6 colours that I went for. Like I said, there were 3 for £2, £3 each, so it cost me £12 for these, which, you know, 6 nail polishes, you can't really go wrong. And they're meant to be 1/4, and they look beautiful. They're going to look nice even just sat on like a worktop or something, aren't they? They're fabulous. So like I said, try to get some brights, some kind of pastel colours. You had to get a red and like a pale or nude colour. So I'm really, really happy with these. If I like them, I'm sure you'll be seeing them again on my next Superdrug haul. I absolutely love nail polish and things. I'm not sure if my nails are looking the best today, but they don't need to because these babies will be going on them. Ooh! Okay then, so not only were those guys 3 for £2, they also gave me a free bag if you bought anything from the new in like makeup and cosmetics. So because the nail polish is new, they gave me a free bag, which I haven't looked at yet. Let's take a look. Ooh, oh, it's quite a big bag. I wasn't expecting it. It's huge. Okay, I'm going to take this out of the packaging, see what it's like. I wasn't expecting it to be this big when they were giving me a free bag. Wow! Oh, it's like a suede velvet effect, and it is a Jean Paul Gaultier Scandal bag. Okay, so I'm just going to take the little bits off, holding it together so we can have a better look at it. But for free, guys, can you complain? How cute is that? I love the colour of it actually. That kind of dusky pink is super cute. Jean Paul Gaultier Scandal lips and a couple of legs up in the air. And inside it's like a PVC effect. Ooh, and it's got the Scandal words inside. I wonder if it's reversible. Let's see. I think it is, guys. You can reverse it. Wow. Okay, it's a little bit harder work than I was expecting because the inside's PVC, but it's definitely reversible. I think. This is when I break my beautiful new free bag. But no, definitely reversible. And on this side then, it's a Scandal. So that's really cute. You can use that, and then the inside's all padded. I think that would get dirty though if I used that, so I probably would use it the other way around. Although I like the kind of like bold letters on this. But still, you know, a 2-way bag for absolutely nothing. Marvellous. So I love a good Superdrug freebie. Look at that, for nothing. Amazing. Thank you so much, Superdrug. Like I wasn't excited enough about the nail polish. Okie dokie then, so just a couple of items left now. Okay, so I picked up one of the simple, kind to skin eye makeup removers. I've picked this up on Superdrug hauls before. It's my absolute favourite eye makeup remover. It's very gentle and it does the job amazingly. I use, you know, I've talked about this before, the Benefit mascaras, the Bad Gal Bang, they're real, very regularly. They can be difficult to get off with some eye makeup removers and things because they're built to last. And this one does the job fantastically. I got this, it was on offer at the moment. They had like money off Simple products. So this cost me £1.85, which is really, really good. This lasts a good old little while and it does the job well. So yay. Lastly then, like I say, I'm going on holiday again next month. I've been very lucky holiday-wise this year. So I picked up a couple of travel size shampoos because they're on offer again. They're 3 for 2 as well. So I picked up the John Frieda Lightning Go Blonder shampoo and conditioner. I actually picked up 2 of the shampoo and 1 of the conditioner because I thought that one of these can go on holiday with me with the conditioner, and then maybe when I come back and I want to keep my hair looking bright when it's blatantly going to be dull autumn weather starting to set in by the end of September, so this can brighten up my hair when I come back. So take those with me, brighten my hair up after the holiday. I mean, to be honest, it's pretty bright at the minute, bright and light, because I've had holidays and the weather's been very sunny, so the sun lightens my hair. I don't dye my hair or anything. I know a lot of people are like, really? But genuinely, the sun kind of does its magic on my hair and it works. But you know, sometimes I can give it a little helping hand if I think it's looking a little bit dull, and John Frieda's blonde things are marvellous. So guys, that was this month's Superdrug haul. I love everything that I've got. I'm so excited. I've got some of my favourite Revolution products, some fantastic new nail polishes to try, some bits from my holiday, and yes, a free bag. How cool is that? So I'm really excited to try those nail polishes. Look out, because there will be a video coming out about them soon, because I'm desperate to try them and I will share it with you guys. So that's it. If you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because it'd be fantastic to have you here and you'll get notified when I try out those nail polishes. So thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, I will see you soon. Bye bye.